And then we had i-creche esasilayo lapho, just the door that is there. We also used to engage them. They are young people, young children. Sibafundisa ukuthi kuyenzwa so, ungabanja lapha, uyatshela umama uyenze so. So that they also grow knowing ukuthi kokhona there are things that they shouldn't be done to them at a very young age, so that they can be able to also report. So it's not only us looking at the youth only, but through these kids clubs, we are also trying to bring out information that will be helpful. I also once engaged with the teachers. The parents were also complimenting the kids are coming home and they are saying, mama, sifundisa ukuthi cha singabanjwa lapha singayenzi lokhu lalokhu. It shows that there is an impact at a very young age. So sisekhuluma lapha nesithi sigoqa minds. Yes, we are trying to also start from there through these kids clubs. I think organization that can attest the most to this is Zamimpilo. We go and do kids club sessions with them, and into siyenzayo also, we also try to ukuthi bona basitshela ukuthi bafuna sikhulume ngani, because they are the ones that are affected mostly by these things. We can't just take a top-down approach, but we are trying to do a bottom-up approach. They tell us what they want us to talk to them about or discuss about. At least ungasuka kibo, we know where they are coming from. And you know, as kids, it's all my backgrounds ashiyashiyene. So lo ebe lokwakha funa ukuthi ukhulume ngakho and find ways to do those things. So we are trying our level best ukuthi qale sisasebancane until we grow.